Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to plot 2D graphs in MATLAB. Uh, for plotting 2D graphs in MATLAB we require a function named as plot. If we want to plot these values along the x-axis can be 1, 2, 3, 4, that means uh, number of reading. So we have to first click here, and to execute this command from this script file, we have to press F9. It will execute. The execution can be seen in the command window. Now we want to plot y function, this, so we can write we can only simply write the value we want to plot. So plot, here we can see the plot of y along this axis. This axis is the number of reading. So here at the first reading we have value of y is equal to 1. At 2 we have 3.4. At third reading we have 5. At fourth we have 7, and so on and so and so. Now what if we want to plot y versus x? In that case we are having x values and y values. So how can we plot that? For that we have to make a matrix of x and y. So we can make it like this. So select these two lines and press F9. Both value will be calculated. Now how to plot it? So simply write x comma y. We will have plot of x versus y. Here you can see y versus x plot, and x and y values are stored here, which can be seen in workplace. Now what if we want to plot sine curves? For that, if you want to plot sine curve with many points, so that means accuracy will be high in plotting. For that we can do this. Both value will be calculated. Now select this, press F9. We will have plot. So we got here the plot. Here how we plotted the function by entering x and y value. What if we don't want to calculate y values and directly plot the function as per the x value? For that we can do here, first of all define x value, which we can be done here. Now write the function which you want to plot in the language of MATLAB. So if you want to plot sine curve with values x, then we have to write sine round bracket. It is compulsory to include values in the round bracket, so write simply x comma sine x. Same result will be plotted. So no change we can see here. What if we want to plot curves with different colors? For that there are some keywords which we should enter in the plot command. If you want to plot curve in a red color, then write this syntax. That means first x-axis value, then y-axis value, and into single inverted comma write the name of the color. So it will give red color. By this command, by writing y in the single inverted comma, we will get yellow colored graph. You can see here. By writing c in a single inverted comma, we will get curve with cyan color. Here we will get green colored plot. Here we will get curve with magenta color. Now what if we want to add legend in the graph? For that we have to write here legend round bracket into the single inverted comma, right, curve. So the processing here we got plot curve. Now let's change the value of x. Execute it. Here we have values in the x as a starting from 1 to 360 with a increment of 10 and multiply by pi by 180. That means x gives a value in a radian form. So we have just see what happens here. Now try to evaluate this function. It gave error message. What is showing? Vectors must be the same length. So earlier we have defined x as a 1:1:360, means 1 to 360 with increment of 1. So number of elements in the x will be more than number of elements in this value, in this vector. So here we have calculated y on the basis of these old x values. So here number of values in y vector will be more than number of x values here. So there is mismatch, so it will give this message. Now for the new x values we have to evaluate y function. Then after we can plot this function, it won't give error message. So we got, these are the marker styles. Marker styles means the point at the style of a point. That means at x is equal to 1, your y value is something like that 0.5, then how that point will be shown? It's shown by here. So for marker styles you have to only just add the style of a marker in single inverted comma. So here we got plus sign marker. Now for O sign we have to write single inverted comma O. Then for asterisk sign markers, for dot style markers, press this. For X sign markers, see this. For square markers, see this. For D markers, see this diamond shape. Now line style, that means the line joining two subsequent points. What should be the style between the line between the joining the points? So for that we have to, the same syntax is there, but we have to enter this signs. For single dash curve we have to add it simply normal curve. For double dash we have to this. For is to sign we have to this. For dash and dot curve, this dash and dot. Now what if we want to plot a graph with required color, with required marker point, and for y color plot with a dash style, simply execute this command. It will give, it is not visible clearly, plot this, it will give red colored curve with double dash line style. Above are the these are the styles of color, line style and marker points. When you enter combination of these styles, these symbols and these alphabets, it will interpret. It doesn't require clarification that this is a mark style, this is a line style and this is the line of color. It will interpret automatically. So enter the combination of parameters which you want to plot. For red color, plot with is two signs, the joining style is for red color and descent.curve, this one. For red color, plot with asterisk marker points and double dash line style. Asterisk marker points, double dash line styles in red in color. Now R and D, think that R is equal to, R is for red, D is for diamond, so it will give this plot. Here R is equal to, R means red color, S means square, it will give this color. Now what it will plot? It will plot red color curve with plus marker signs and is to line style. See this. Caret style is used as a marker style. It gives a up triangle design. See this. So this is the all about how to plot 2D graphs and etc. etc. Now what if you want to plot two curves simultaneously in a single function? Then you can simply write as this, comma, just append that. Here we will get two plot, but we can't differentiate between those are same curves. So write this way. These are the two different colors. Now execute. Sine curve, cos curve. We got. Now if you don't want to write this and this differently, then you can simply do this. Right. First of all, execute this command. It got, and into it we want to add some different. So press hold on. It will retain this curve, and the next curve will be plotted on it. We forgot to execute this command, so it happened. Now plot, and now plot this command. So both curves are here. Now what? Now if you want to add something more, now insert X label. So how can we insert X label? Yes, here. X label box is here. X axis right. X axis. Insert Y label. Y axis. Now insert legend. This is what. Now add title. Y versus X plot. So this is how we can plot 2D graphs. Thank you for watching.